In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install an extra app in ERPNext 15. Whether you're managing payroll, streamlining your sales process, or customizing your ERPNext to better suit your business needs, adding apps can bring a whole new level of functionality and efficiency. Let's dive into the process, and you'll see just how simple it is. First things first, we need to head over to frappycloud.com. This is your centralized hub for managing your ERPNext setup. Once you arrive there, you'll need to log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to create one so you can access your site and make the necessary modifications. After logging in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard. From here, look for the Sites section. Clicking on this will present a list of all the sites that you're managing. Locate the site where you want to install the new app and click on it. Remember, this step is crucial because you're about to make changes specific to this environment, so be sure to select the right one. Now that you're on your site page, navigate to the Apps tab. This is where you'll have the power to see all of the applications currently integrated into your ERPNext system. To add more, draw your attention to the top right side of the screen, and you'll see a button labeled Plus Install App. Give that button a click, and you're on your way to customizing your ERPNext experience. Choosing the app is the exciting part. Depending on your business needs, you might be looking to add features like HRMS for managing human resources, a payment app for financial transactions, or even something entirely custom designed for your company. Carefully review the list of available applications and select the one that aligns with your goals. Once you've selected your desired app, you'll need to choose the correct branch. Branches are essentially different versions of the app, so since we're working with ERPNext 15, you'll want to ensure you're selecting something compatible, like the version 15 branch. Selecting the correct one ensures that the new app will work seamlessly with your existing setup. Finally, click Install. The system will now handle all the back-end processes for you. There's no need to mess around with terminals or command lines. It's all done automatically. This streamlined process gives you more time to focus on other critical tasks. And there you have it. You've successfully installed an extra app in your ERPNext 15 environment without ever having to open a terminal. Embrace the new functionalities and explore how they can best serve your business needs. Thanks for tuning in, and happy customizing.